Got a couple of returns today. Dick's Sporting Goods. Also got a Foot Locker return, both. The grade school of the reimagined threes. Didn't need them. But yeah, I forgot to cancel my reservations. So I ended up hitting on a ship to home on both. So I need to return both. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Out at the Northridge Mall because I need to make a couple returns. But we're also gonna look around. Let's go see what's up. Northridge Fashion Center. I think I can do returns. I think I can do online returns in store with Dick's Sporting Goods. Let's find out. I did end up getting my money back. All right, I'm gonna keep the box because no, you can always use boxes. They do have sneakers here. Let's look around. I don't really stop by this one that often, or I don't really stop inside the sneaker section that often, but we'll look around to see what they got. Jordan 1 cleats are all the rage. Remember seeing all these at Burlington and the outlets and stuff for hella cheap. Remember that during the pandemic. $140 for them now. Crazy. Gonna be honest, I don't remember having so many casual sneakers. They always had performance related sneakers, but it seems like their sneaker section is growing. We've seen them get a lot of retros recently, so yeah, they're getting a ton of stuff, man. All kinds of Blazers, Air Force Ones. Problem is, I ain't seen that many sales. Just not seen that many sales at all. Haven't seen the Curry 10s at too many spots. This is the Splash Party colorway. That's pretty dope because, like I said, haven't seen the Currys at too many spots at all. The signature ones. They got multiple colorways, which is pretty dope. $160 for all these. I think this is the Dub Nation colorway. These are interesting because it does have all the stitching up front. Can barely even see what material it is. Do got some 9s right here, I believe. Yeah, these are the 9s. And another pair of these. Like, damn, these aren't even on sale. Like, they're the older ones not on sale, man. The only thing on sale right here, 25% off. $120, 25% off. That's it, man. Like, smaller sizes too. Yeah, not much on sale, but bunch of casual stuff. 574 New Balances, pretty dope. Got Air Max 90s, go for $140. I don't think I've ever seen this color right here. That's interesting. All right, $140 for those. Their running section, huge. Got Hokas. Got the Brooks right there. Got Sauconys. They got everything. All right, let's keep it moving. On to the next one. I'm gonna go get my other pair and return that one. All right, did grab my second pair. Guess we're gonna start at Foot Locker since that's where I'm returning these. I just realized this is a kid size, so probably kids Foot Locker. All right, let's go. All right, man, they blasting the hell out the music here. Was gonna look around, but the music's loud as hell. We'll see. Do got these in grade school. I did hear that they were on sale on, I think, the Foot Locker website or something. I need to check, man. I need to check. Good looking out for the homie who told me. I forgot who it was, but good looking out. Grade school, 110. Got some Converse on sale for the kiddos. Yo, that's the cheapest we've seen. Air Max 90s. That is hella cheap. Normally $110 for grade school. Dude got Forrest Gumps right here. The Forrest Gump Cortez, the one that fool was running on. And then all of a sudden he just stopped and he's like, no, I'm done. Air Max 97s. Talk to y'all about how many that have been making. Just last year they released so many different colorways of those. Then Dude got a ton of J's. And then look at this. Look at this. We're starting to see J's on sale. So maybe you won't have to hit up the outlets. That's kind of the way it used to be before the pandemic. We used to be able to find J's on sale. I had to go to Shoe Palace all the time, grab sneakers or grab Jordans for $105 and stuff. That was fire. Airmore Up-Tempos also on sale. Huaraches, Prestos. Well, Prestos on the bottom, Huaraches up top. And that one going for $80 as well. Holy cow. All right, let's go. Let's go check out a couple more spots. I do got a Foot Locker, Champs, JD. Man, they got everything here. Let's go for it. Do got these bad boys. Man, I need to. These are going for 140. I need to find the ones that are on sale, dude. Like I need to look online. Hopefully I can find them tonight. Just secure my pair, especially for sale prices. They got Iversons. They got. These are one of the answers, right? Got a couple RSXs going for $40. That's just hella cheap, man. These are comfy as hell too. These are comfy, $40. That's what's up. Normally $110. Vans Skate Highs go for $30 freaking dollars. Got the ones with the lightning bolts too. And then they do have the Stranger Things one as well. We've seen the prices go up and down on these. Kyrie Lows. Like I've mentioned, prices up and down like crazy on these. But I guess it's been like that with a lot of sneakers, like just sales in general. Sales have gone up and down. You know, sometimes we see stuff like, and it rivals outlet prices. Still loving these Air More Tempos being on sale. Man, remember if you do buy something like this, use the survey coupons. Or like work together. Like if one of your boys got one, call him, survey coupon. You guys should share stuff like that. That's how you guys help each other out. I've sent survey coupons to so many people. But don't contact me though, man. I got too many people I'm already helping out and stuff. So don't contact me. $80 for these. Man, I still don't have a 19 though, man. Am I gonna get one? Should I? I don't know. And these pants, I've seen these pants quite a few times. These are fire, dude. And we are starting to see Pro Standard on sale. Remember, with all this type of stuff, if it's at least $50, use a survey coupon. If it's 40, find something that's 10 bucks and you'll get it for free, you know? Yeah, this is fire. Steelers right here. We got the Cowboys right here. Nobody really wants the Cowboys one, but I'm just showing now, you know. The Raiders, $30. That's dope, being that that's normally 50. Grab 2 of these. Man, 2 of those for 60, and then get a $10 off. Get them for 25 a piece. Got Lions ones right there. Fire. All right, let's check out some more spots. Let's go. Do got a Champs. Let's look around. It's really crazy because the Foot Locker, I think they get way more customers, way more sales and stuff like that. But this Champs has like way more stuff, especially with sales and stuff like that. Like look at all these 574s. Look at how long that hair is. Then this one, a bread colorway. This is like a Nintendo colorway, dude. I'm a fan of that. That is fire. This is the rugged ones. So you can see that outsole. This one's a regular one right here. 85 down to 50. The 480s, are these the skating versions? It kind of looks like skate shoes. These are pretty dope. Pretty dope. 90 bucks, a little steep. Puma definitely doing their thing. Seems like they've been doing better. Still got the mellow ones. That is surprising. That is definitely surprising. Man, dude, they got a couple colorways, the ones. I haven't seen that in a while. Do got a bunch of the twos, pretty much all the colors of the twos. I think the only one I don't see is the what is that? The slime one? The slime one. And then I didn't know they released slides too. Never seen that. 50 bucks. How did I not know they released slides? All right. Okay. Going for 45 a piece. Oh, this is 45. This one's 50. Got the Adidas section. Not really much going on the Adidas section. Man, Adidas, like, what's going on with them, dude? What's going on with them? They did end up dropping the Ivy Park line. I know sales was really dismal for those, but still, like, they don't really have any pizzazz right now. Just the Bad Bunny stuff, which has kind of died down a lot. Damn, they do got these. I did want these. Crap, this is a size 10. And I do have a $10 off. Damn, I might have to grab that. I don't know why I like that one so much, too. Then we got the Dawn Issue 3s. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colorways. Hardens right here. Got the Kobe's. I do like the fact that they're bringing the OG stuff back, but like still not that much pizzazz right now. I might have to grab these, especially for 80 bucks. Damn. They are bringing the 10.5 man. I wasn't even trying to buy stuff like that right now. Do got the Curry 10s here. Maybe the 10s, maybe they're gonna be easier to find. I sorted the 9s. I didn't see the 9s nowhere. And this is the first time I've seen these. I've never seen these before. The UFC, the BSB, the BSR? BSR, is that the this is weird though, because like they have an exclusive contract with the athletes, but I've never seen Dana White wear these. I'm like, dude, Dana, like, you don't want to push your brand at all? Like, really? You got a exclusive partnership and you don't want to like wear any of that stuff? He's always wearing Nikes, which is hilarious. Oh, he liked the Nikes, and he's a big fan of the Gazelles. He likes the Gazelles, the Adidas. But he's been posting all his Nikes, the Travis Scotts, all that type of stuff. I'm like, dog, like, really? Like, you support your brand a little, man? But, you know, he's a lot richer than me, so of course he knows what he's doing. Grabbing these at 10.5. Heard that these are too narrow for certain people. Heard they run small. I don't know. Like, I don't know. Let's try it out. I have a size 11 at home, and if it's okay, it's a little loose though. But if it's good enough. Yeah, these are tight. Bosco was right. These are a little bit tight. But I heard they loosen up though. He did say they loosen up after a little bit. Damn, I feel bad because I wonder if I should get 11 or 12. Wonder if I should get a 10.5 or 12. I usually know my sizes. Oh, damn, I'm like dry as hell. Yeah, I usually know my sizes. Like, damn, dude, tripping. All right, I know what it is. I know there's a good noticeable heel to toe drop, and it like kind of pushes me forward a little bit. I think that's what it is. It's relatively flat, but there is a very, very slight heel to toe drop, and yeah, I think the 10.5. I think that's gonna work. I think it's gonna work. But yeah, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? These are dope. Do you guys like those, or do you guys like the Chinese New Year 12s? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna grab them. And I do have a survey coupon, so you know I'm gonna do that right now, or I'll present it at least. Did pay for those. I was like, don't give me a bag. I'll just put it in my box. Did use the survey coupon. I did get my $10 off, so it ended up coming out to $70 plus tax. Do got 50% off these Pro Standard Lakers shirts, which are fire. Normally 75. Holy crap, they keep going up. 75, 50% off. 50% off the Mitchell & S Will Smith jerseys here as well. So yeah, 135, 50 off. Got the shorts as well. Make sure you guys use that certificate, man, or the survey coupon. Make sure you guys use that bad boy for that. And 25% off those right there. But yeah, as I said, make sure you guys share them with your friends. Make sure you guys exchange coupons. If someone needs one, give it to them. Do your thing, dude. Do got a JD Sports, and then also Shoe Palace. I think those two are the last ones. This one might be quick because music is loud as hell here. And then look at this. Look at this. You just walk right in, and then they got dunks right here. This is women's sizes, men's sizes. Look at this. Men's dunks at the counter. That is kind of crazy. Okay. They do got the 9s on sale. That's pretty freaking fire. That is fire. Got Air More Up Tempos. But as I mentioned, music loud as hell. So yeah, we're gonna go, dude. We're gonna go. It is Blackstreet. Blackstreet is dope though. All right, we do got one last store. Shoe Palace. Hope you guys are following me. Oh, hope you guys are following my shorts, by the way, because I am posting it right now. Live updates on what's at the malls. Hope you guys are following. Y'all know I'm not a fan of paying retail for stuff right now, especially since the outlets got so much stuff, but they do got good selection of Jordans, and I know not everybody has access to Nike outlets like I do. Some Zoom Airs. Another one of those. They're pushing a lot of these. 11 low IEs, going for $150, 35 off. 7s, more 7s. Got some 2s, the Lucky Green 2s, going for $175. Got Lakers, Celtics mids, Bulls mids. Did I show the 6s? I'm pretty sure I did. But yeah, dude got the inside outs right here. Then got the Laneys. This looks like a big size too. Yeah, these are the women's, but that's size 11, 9.5. Men's. Then got the pony hair things right there. Then these Halloween looking ones. Never seen this. Got some nice leather on it too. The LEs. I've never seen that before. Better material than the regular ones. Do they really still have these? $95. These are the forums. The Fabulous Forum from the Lakers. Fabulous Forums. I just read this is the Lakers colorway. This is supposedly only $1,200. I don't know how they're still around from years ago. I know they didn't get much hype. I know Shoe Palace does an awful job of hyping things up. I found out about it on their Shoe Palace website. I got forums for 50 bucks. That's what's up. Black and white gazelles. These are clean, dude. These are super clean. Gazelles, they always use really good material, but like I've mentioned, not great for white footers. But these are fire though, 100 bucks. Damn, this store's never really had basketball sneakers. They got tons of LeBrons, which is fire. Got the Penny 2. Man, these look dope, dude. Just 2 bills. That's just a little much. Oh, and then I just saw this for the first time earlier today. I guess they're everywhere now. Like a Raiders colorway, Kings colorway. Okay. All right. I think this might be a quicker visit, but I think we're done. All right. Hope you guys saw my short, dude. You guys updates.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you.